What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we're going to take this Supra from not having an interior and an ugly gauge cluster and some other things that weren't painted to a Supra that has interior things and things that are painted. All right, let's go. Hey. All right, guys, let's get the gauges and everything, the needle all painted. And then right here in the back, I went ahead and did this little jumper wire from that little piece of solder to that piece of solder. And what that does is converts the tach signal. It bypasses the resistor right there. So converts the tach signal so it'll actually work with the igniter. So you have to do this to convert your 2JZ GTE to work with the GE cluster. So that's what we're doing. So. All right, guys, so Sean has got a lot of stuff done here on the interior. We got the little door seal panels, we got the weather stripping, got some new speakers, we got these little speaker bracket things that you get on the Amazon. So these are a component speaker, so we have the little tweeters since the door panels were already drilled. So he went ahead and got that one over there installed. Looks pretty good. So now we do have a aftermarket doubled-in stereo. Where's that? Is it up there?
Yeah.
So trying to figure out this whole bracket situation. So with the doubled in, trying to figure out this bracket situation to try and get this thing mounted in here. So it's kind of interesting. I got this thing from Walmart, you know, and if you get online, if you look for like an OEM Supra bracket that like bolts in here, it's kind of expensive. It's like 150 bucks, so 200 bucks.
None of this has any provisions for... No
provisions?
I think this is based off using the factory OEM brackets. Because there's... Well, you see that off, there's...
So my Supra, to put a doubled in my Supra, I used the factory brackets and it just bolted up to the radio and then it was good. It was good to go.
Yeah. I don't see anything like that.
We don't have this thing didn't come with a radio, and I was even asking Tony, and he said that it didn't come with a radio, and he got it. So you got all the stuff wired for the radio though, right here, yeah. So we can plug it in, see if it works. Did you rewire it?
No, I'm about to do that now.
Okay, well you do that. I'm gonna figure out this bracket thing. Hand me the radio, and then we'll go.
You want it out of the box?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, guys, so got the whole front bumper all scuffed and ready to go. Got the lip on it, got the turn signals, all that stuff, all the bracketry, all the things ready to get that front bumper ready to spray. We are going to be painting this valve cover. So this is the one off of my drift car. We've already painted this one before. I kind of wanted to put the OEM turquoise one. This one just didn't match the 2JZ Mustang very well. So we're gonna paint this the same color as the car, and we're gonna paint these front engine cover pieces. Kind of give it more of that like RB looking sort of feeling. So we're gonna come out here too. We are also painting the intake manifold black, and then we are painting the valve covers that same blue as the rest of the car. So this thing's gonna turn out pretty good. I think she's gonna be all right.
I think she's gonna be all right.
Hey, what? I know, freaking stranger, buddy. right, Sean, how you doing down there?
Oh, I fit great down here.
You look like you fit great.
All right, turn that power on now. We're just trying to figure out all these different things.
Oh, the key.
What?
We're missing the key.
Where's it at?
All right, so moment of truth. We're gonna hop in here, turn the key. When we were putting some stuff together, this piece right here was broken and kind of gross looking. So got the climate control that seems to be working. The radio doesn't turn on, so maybe we should see if it has power. But mileage and everything works. 58,000 miles. The gauges look really good in there. I like going back to just the black with the yellow needles. Those turned out pretty good. So I just need to get this radio working, and then when you turn on the lights, the gauges don't light up right here. We even turned up the little volume. Did you plug in the little volume thing? Yeah. Oh, we got low oil pressure.
Oh, that's great.
That's another thing that we gotta do, but the window works, so that's good. So yeah, just need to kind of actually dust it off and cleaned off in here a little bit. But yeah, that brand new dash looks nice. Well, we got the windshield glued in, so officially has a weather stripping molding on it. And to work through a couple little issues with some wiring. This is literally the first time we gave it power though, so we're just kind of testing to see how everything does. I got the valve covers and everything all painted, so those are over in the paint booth drying. We'll pick those up tomorrow. What'd you do?
Fuse.
Just a blown fuse?
There just wasn't a fuse in there.
Oh, that makes sense. You think it bumps? Let's see.
Put some Bluetooth onto it.
Let's see what it sounds like. This one's not working. There's no fuzz coming out of it.
Really?
Yep, no fuzz. What'd you do? Did you do it wrong?
No.
Okay. Alright guys, made a lot of progress on the Supra, or on the blue Supra in this video. No, it doesn't seem like a whole lot yet, but we are waiting on a lot of parts. We figured out a lot of stuff in the interior. It's about 90% complete. There's a couple little things that we need to order. Ordered a bunch of stuff from Toyota anyhow, so I'll just have to place another order, which you never really fully know what you're getting into with a project car like this that was already kind of abandoned, taken apart, shuffled around for a couple years. What's missing, what got lost, what things are broken. Pretty much got a lot of that stuff figured out, so now we know what to do moving forward. Again, really stoked to get this thing running and driving. I ordered a full timing belt kit and everything for the engine. Yeah, you guys are gonna have to let me know what you think. What do you think? Do you guys like the red, or do you like the blue? I don't know. I'm kind of partial to the red, you know. Maybe that's because that's what I was initially gonna do. But when I was actually gonna paint my Supra to begin with, it was between this blue and kind of this. So this is kind of what my car would have looked like if I would have just painted it blue, which I don't know. Big fan of the red. But if you guys did not know, today is the last day of our 10 times entries promotion. If you are a VIP, those entries are automatically doubled, so you will get 20 times entries. So don't sleep on the VIP program. Don't sleep on this giveaway. 10 times entries is the highest multiplier we're going to be doing for this thing. So head over to motionrtv.com, grab you some awesome gear. You'll automatically get entered for a chance to win this, not only the Supra, well, I guess the Supra or the truck, but $10,000 cash. Really appreciate all the support we've been getting on the giveaway. Can't wait to get this thing completed a little bit more. See it running and driving, take these things out on a cruise together. If you guys want a chance to see this thing in person or the truck in person, we are actually going to be at a local event May 29th here in Colorado at Pikes Peak International Raceway. It is called the Slush event. They're doing drifting, they're doing drag racing, they're doing a burnout competition, as well as some autocross and some show cars. We will be there selling merch. You'll get entered to win the Supra or the truck at that event. You'll be able to see them in person. This thing should be running and driving by then if some of the pieces come inside. But if you guys are not subscribed, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for the next video of this thing. We're going to make a lot more progress in that video. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later.